In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut No Internet Connection error. So first, when you try to launch CapCut, there's no internet. First thing you want to check is your internet connection. So make sure you're connected, make sure you're well secured into an internet connection. If there's an issue with the internet, try to disable and re-enable the internet and see if that works. Now if this doesn't seem to solve the issue, then try and see if there's already an issue with the CapCut servers. So if you go to Google and type CapCut down, you're gonna go to websites like these, and this will tell you if there's a global issue with CapCut. So it might be a huge global issue that everyone else is experiencing, and it's temporary, and CapCut would fix it. So there's a website like this one as well. Here, as you can see, the CapCut status is up. So if it's experiencing an issue, you might see a huge red line like all the way here. So you might just have to wait a few minutes or half an hour or something, and hopefully this would fix your issue. And also just keep in mind to keep your CapCut up to date, always updated, because updating it just fixes these small bugs and issues. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.